Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Welcome back to First Steps in Excel. Okay, you've already learned how to type, save, sort, and format your spreadsheets. Awesome progress so far. Now it's time to unlock what makes Excel really powerful. Formulas. Don't worry, we're starting super simple, just adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Think of it like a calculator, but smarter. Okay, let's start with the basics. Doing maths in Excel. So in cell C2, type an equal sign. Then after it, type A2 plus B2. And then once you've typed that, hit enter. And as you'll see now, the results will appear in C2 cell. So basically, that's all a formula is. It starts with an equal sign and then does what you tell it. Now, I'm going to take you guys through the basic symbols you'll use in Excel formulas. Just like I've shown you, the plus symbol is to add. Next, we have the minus symbol. This is to subtract. Then we have the asterisk symbol. This is to multiply. And last of all, we have the forward slash. And this is to divide. And basically, guys, just like that, Excel becomes your personal calculator. And just to highlight that when you press enter, Excel instantly calculates the result and shows it in the cell. But here's the cool part. The formula bar up here shows what you typed, the actual formula. So you can always check or edit it. The formula bar is basically like a window into the maths behind your spreadsheet. Click a formula cell and you'll see the exact calculation happening right behind the scenes. And just like that, you're now writing real formulas in Excel. Just think, guys, you now know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide using simple formulas. And if you want to have a go right now, try this quick task. Open a new Excel spreadsheet and add a few headers. This could be things such as item 1, item 2, and say result. Then in A3, type 10. In B3, type say 5. And in C3, type A3 plus B3. Then click enter. And as you'll see, the result gets added automatically. Now, repeat this table for subtract, multiply, and divide by changing the symbols in the formulas to one of the following: minus, asterisk, forward slash. And if you're feeling more confident, try using the fill handle to copy your formula to more rows and then color the headers to make them stand out. Good luck. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.